Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about application of Laplace transformation. So now I want to show you how to answer. For this one, we need to apply Laplace for the both sides, and we have like this. So for this one, we need to transform into s squared capital F of h minus s first derivative f of number 0, and later that we have first derivative f of number 0 in here. And now we go to Laplace of first derivative of y, that is about the small h capital F of h minus f of number 0 in here. And the next one, capital F of y, that is about capital F of h. The next one, we have f of e to the power of as, and that is about 1 over h minus 8. 8 in this situation, that is about negative number 1. Now we need to transform this one into this one in here, so that should be like this. So for this one, that is about this one. So this one, that is about this one. And this one, that is about this one. And the last one, that is about this one. Now we know that f of number 0 and first derivative f of number 0, everything equals to number 0. And now we can simplify like this. Now capital F of h, we can do about factorization, and now we have like this. Next, we divide both sides by this one. Now, in this situation, we can use about partial fractions. So I will put about capital 8 over h plus 1, and we have bh plus c over h squared plus 4h plus 8. Now we do common denominator. So this one, it is missing about this one. So capital 8 multiplied by h squared plus 4h plus 8. About this one, it is missing about h plus 1. So we have bh plus c multiplied by h plus 1. So we need to expand this one. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of h. About h square, we have 8 and b. About h, we have 4, 8 plus b plus c. About the numbers, we have 8, 8 plus c. Now, we need to compare coefficients. We just have only number 1. So this one equals to number 1. We don't have h and s square. So this one and this one equals to number 0. And now we create the system of equations. So 8 equals to 1 over 5. B equals to negative 1 over 5. C equals to negative number 3 over 5. So we put A, B, C, go back in here. Now we have like this. So for the next one, number 8, we put 4 plus 4. This one, that is about h plus number 2, everything to the power of 2. Next, this one I can put negative number 2 over 5 and negative number 1 over 5. Now we need to separate them in here. That should be like this. Next, we can do about factorization by negative 1 over 5 in here. This one we multiply by number 2 on numerator and the denominator. So we can use about inverse Laplace transformation. So we have the formula in here. The first one, that's about 1 over h minus 8. We will go back to e to the power of as. The next one, that should be about s plus a over h plus a square plus b square. This one we can go back, negative 8. This one will go back e to the power of as cosine bs. And the next one, that is about b over h minus a square plus b square. And this one, that is about e to the power of as sine bs. So in this situation, they should be like this. So for this one, we have positive number 1, this one negative 8. That means 8 in here we have negative number 1. So we have 1 over 5 e to the power of negative s. This one we have positive number 2, however we have negative 8. That means 8 equal to negative number 2. B, that is about number 2. So we have like this. The next one, we have number 2. That's about B. A, that's about negative number 2. And we have like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.